Hello and welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about the tongue tester. As you can see, this particular device is known as tongue tester. Either it is also known as the clamp meter. Clamp meter and tongue tester both are same. Let's see how it works. By pressing this particular button, we can clamp out this wire. And now this wire has been clamped. Now we can find out how much the electric supply is over this wire. Now I'm going to switch on the electric button. When I have just switched on, you can clearly see on the analog meter that the reading has been shown. The reading is in ampere and volts. So now I'm just unclamping it. So this tongue tester is a very beneficial device used in the industries for so many checkings and all. For example, some devices are working or some devices are not working. All these things you can clearly see it by the help of this tongue tester. So the clamping is quite easy, as you have seen. Sometimes what happen when the wire is very much thicker, then there is a problem to attach this clamp meter over that particular wire. So on that cases, a special type of tongue tester is available, by holding which we can just prefer what the amount of current is being induced. So it is done by the process of induction. When we just clamp it out, what happened, the current is induced by the help of transistor to the analog meter. So again I am going to just show you how it works. It's quite easy, as you have clearly seen. There are certain buttons. A high class of plastic is being involved. So now I have just clamped and just turned on the switch. You can see this much amount of current is being supplied. There is a switch, a sliding switch. By the help of that we can lock that particular meter. Now I have just unclamped and you can clearly see that the reading has been locked over this particular point. It helps in analyzing the reading, exact amount of reading, what is the current has been passed. Now you have just seen, I have released the lock, then it's again at the point 0. So this tongue tester is very important instrument, as I have already mentioned you, because tongue tester helps in analyzing whether your connecting devices are working or not in the machine, or some wires are connected, then those are working or not. You can see this is a slider to lock and unlock. It's a little bit harder, but it's very good for locking your measurement. The measurement, when the measurement has been locked, you can exactly get what the amount of current is being flowing. So this is an analog meter which is being represented by volt and ampere. Now presently some of the machines have some digital meters. That is also very good. Some 2 ports are there, as it also works as a clamp. So volt, comm and ohms. There are 3 types of ports basically. So guys, this is a video of tongue tester. So if you are new to our channel or old to our channel and you want to learn all the basics of industrial technologies, plastic related information, moldings, so guys, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification. So this tongue tester has helped in industrial through many ways. All the industries have this particular device. It is also popularly known as clamp meter. Most of the people know it by the name of clamp meter, but it also known as tongue tester, as it helps in measuring the electricity. So guys, let's finish the video and we will meet in the next video with some more content, some more knowledgeable content. So have a great day, enjoy the day and have a nice day.